Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're gonna be solving this problem 121, best time to buy and sell stock. Well, let's see what is the given problem. It is said you are given an array prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. So these are some prices given of the stocks on each single day. Okay, each individual day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. So what this essentially says is that we can buy a stock at one day and sell a stock on the next day, not on the same day, on the next day. We have to buy and sell in such a way that we can maximize the profit. Okay, so one way to do this, if we are gonna solve this by brute force, one way to do this would be to use two loops in which what we'll be doing is we will be having the first element and then check one by one and recording into profit, so that when it reaches the maximum profit, if we compare, okay, like that O of n square solution we can have. Okay, by iterating, having one element and then iterating and then comparing with that element. Okay, using two loops, but this can be done using a single one per solution, single for loop. Let's see how we can do that. So what we can do is we can let's first see the example. So if we buy on the day where the value of the stock is 1, okay, so what we are essentially finding is the minimum value at any given point in the array. Okay, so in the first day the value is 7. Is value 7 less than 1? No, it's not less than 1. So what we need to do is find the minimum in the array. So if 1 is the minimum, okay, so 1 is the minimum, and then at any given point, if there is a value less than 1, then it will become minimum. Okay, so if we sell on day 3, the profit is 4. If we sell on day 4, the profit is 2. If we sell on day 5, the profit is max, that is 4. Okay, so how we can do this? What we can do is, and let's see this example also. In this example, it's gradually decreasing, the array is gradually decreasing, so there will be no profit and there will be only loss. So there will be no profit and then net profit is 0. So let's see how we can solve this. This is very simple solution. So we need to have a minimum variable where we can hold the minimum value at any given point in the array. Okay, so the minimum value will be integer dot max value, and we would have a profit, int profit equals to 0. Now we will be looping through the array, int I equals to 0, I is less than prices dot length I plus plus. And now if the value now we would find the minimum. Okay, so how we would find the minimum? If the prices at any given point in the array, if that value is less than the minimum, then we would change minimum to that value. Okay, to prices I. Okay, and next what we will do is else if. Now what we will do is else if the subtracting the value if it is greater than profit, subtracting the sell value and the buy value. If it is greater than profit, then we will update profit. Okay, so what we will do is if prices I minus minimum is greater than profit, then we would profit equals to change profit into the date on which the value at which it is sold minus the value at which it is bought, and at last we would return the profit. Let's see if the code runs. Yes, it runs. Let's submit the code. Cool, it submits, and as you can see, it's not that greatest, as I am not using math.mean or math.max, but this solution is also viable solution and good solution. If you want to understand, then this solution is a pretty good solution to understand. I hope you got the solution, and please give a like and subscribe if you like the solution or understood it. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.